So Paula, I'm pretty excited about these new channels.
Yeah, tell me about them.
Well, as you know, we have just under 500 videos now for Ghost 11. It's been tons of work. Tons of work. But we've got some fabulous content. But the problem is that YouTube doesn't understand how to push it out there to the people because there's such a diverse cross-section of content that people don't know about it.
Oh, that thing called the algorithm?
The algorithm. Yeah, don't mention that word to me. The algorithm is the bane of my existence, right? So you know, we've created these channels and... Oh, hey! How are you doing? Have you been here the whole time? Sorry. Hey, listen, since you're here, you probably heard what we were talking about, that the YouTube algorithm gets kind of choked because of all the different content that we're putting out there for everybody, and it doesn't know how to promote it. So to make it simple, what we're doing is we're taking all the content from the Goes to 11 YouTube channel and we're breaking it into separate channels. So if you're into cooking,
yes,
we have the Kitchen Shop Online. If you're into fishing,
Women's Fishing Network, because women rock.
They do. Vice Squad, fly tying tutorials, Get Spun, which is a great one, learning all the different stuff for spin casting and how to make spinners and what have you.
And Grounds for Divorce, coffee bean reviews.
Yeah, and tune in every week and see how she tries to poison me. Right?
Indeed. I have not been successful to date yet, as you can tell.
I'm invincible.
You must be.
Listen, I want to thank you so much. Paul and I really appreciate you guys coming by and checking us out. Do us a big favor, would you? Click that subscribe button. Hit the reminder bell so you don't miss any future content that comes up on this channel or all the channels. Go subscribe to all the channels. They're great. They're great. But if you just want to subscribe to one, that's okay too. And you won't miss any of the content and you'll see all of our great stuff. Right?
Indeed.
Thanks a lot. We'll catch you on the next reel.
Ciao, ciao.